Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie in the magic of Pegasus on Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the accessory adjustments. So let me remove this, and then this, and then this. So the rest, you don't really need VIP except for the crown if you want to use it. For the hair, I use this hair in just the color blonde in the back toggle, position the Y.48, Z.6, and then scale it to 0.55. Then I use this hair in blonde, no adjustments made. For the crown, I use the VIP crown in a white and in this purple color, CFA7FF. In these adjustments, position the Y.64, Z.45, rotate the X to 0.59 and scale it to 0.09. Then grab the top here, where is it? This one in the second toggle without texture, color it, I think this color in silk, and then in white, and then I also use silk I think, and then the rest I just did in white. Then I'm going to select this choker here in that same purple color. Actually I did a darker one in silk. Oh, and I also used the witch skirt here in that same purple in silk. Then for the flower part, I used this accessory item, this one, in that same purple color in silk, this one. Whoa, I just added something. Position the X at 0.29, Y 0.29, Z 0.38. Rotate the Y to 1. And then we are going to use the ballet shoes here. If I can just find it. Oh, here it is. In the ballet toggle. And I'm just going to color this purple, this D0A7FF. I keep clicking on something else, sorry. Okay. And then we are going to also use this dress here. This one in the top only toggle in that color in silk. And then silk in that color again. Actually I'll do light silk maybe on that one. And then the rest I just did white. You can add glitter to it if you'd like to. I think I'm just going to do default. Then for the other necklace, I'm going to use this one here in purple. And like a lighter purple, and then that darker purple in glitter. Lastly, we are going to select this item here in the bounce toggle in X. Color it this color F397FF, and then this color in neon or foil maybe. I think that looks better honestly. And that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!